So now, as regards the referencing in the Gita, I think points are very clear. The six nodal point with the three verse from the chapter 5, and then the another five verses from chapter 6 makes very clear there is a reference available for a meditation in Gita, and which is a proven method, which makes sense and which is very practical, right? But then there are certain things which people have talked about, which are mentioned about the philosophy behind this method. And they say when your eyes are not fully shut, it is purposefully said like that. Once you are partly awake, it will not allow you to go into the fake world of fake world of dreams, right? So that is number one. And there is a system when you are doing that, and then you are concentrating on the tip of your nose. Through that, you that what you call nishagra drishti. When you are having that nishagra drishti, you seeing at this compels you to focus here, and then while you are doing this, your stress is coming on this place in between the two line, and that is what is something people call it the agya chakra, and that from or it is called a tilak, the place. And whenever you must have noticed, whenever go to the temple, someone is putting a tilak on our head, we start moving our head and we try to indicate that person that where to put that tilak. And same way, if I am doing it myself and with my shut eyes, I will put a particular place. So this place, the agya chakra point, is unique to everyone, and one he only knows that. And once you are doing this gets activated, and once this gets activated, as I mentioned earlier referencing, that when you enter in your house, दल्हेजी पर जब आप होते हैं, ना अंदर है ना बाहर है, from here the moment that opens up, then you are up, right? Then you are up. And once you have tasted that, seen that, then it is very difficult for you to come down. So that is what is the fragrance of this. So at that level, I think again summing up will be apt, that you should have a sthirasana, and you should stretch your body erect at 90 degree with the mother earth. And then nishagra drishti, you should have a nishagra drishti, by which you should close your eyes partly and concentrate on this, and then you can rotate eyes one by one also, which is not very easy. And then you should have try to feel that the stress on agya chakra is coming, and that activates, and then you do it regularly. I think that's what which all was talked about, attaining the Paramananda, activating the Agya Chakra, which you want to do it. And I repeat, the referencing of meditation in Gita derives us from verses 27 to 29 of chapter 5, and the methodology has been very well summed up in verse 11, 12, 13, 15 and 17 of chapter 6. And then it was just a discussion, and it was just an gossip time. And it is a term from gossip to meditate. It is the somebody coined कि आज तो क्या कहते हैं, ध्यान से समाधि की तरफ होता था, आज तो गपशप से समाधि की तरफ हो गया. सो ध्यान तो बीच में रह गया, गपशप से समाधि की तरफ और वाया मेडिटेशन वहाँ ध्यान. I think I try to club all these clips because this camera halts after 10 minutes and switched on because gets heat up, etc. So we have to adjust with the technology. If I will give it in 3 parts, I will give part 1, 2 and 3, and later on if I can club them, we will club them. All right, thank you. Enjoy the gossip time. There was some pressure, some calls कि बाबा साहब इसको आज आउट करो, वीकेंड है. आई सेड ओके, वी विल डू इट. राइट, गुड, थैंक यू, गुड डे.